Peace, peace, y'all. Welcome to today's mathematics. What your girl, Sunshine Monet L. Today is 638. You already know we in the month of 6. This is the month of Mercurian energy. We are talking about our daily routine, our habits, our health, and our moral and integral code, how we listen, how we speak, how we teach, how we learn, and our ability to invoke things, because we do invoke things with our throat chakra. So in the space of 6, we are on the day of 3. It's the first decan of the month. So this decan of the month is all about taking initiative, being that cardinal spark energy that gets things going. So in this cardinal energy, we're on the day of 3, which is the energy of understanding, that knowledge and wisdom that you've been accumulating on days 1 and 2, right? So in this space of understanding, we're in a space of expression. 3 deals with Gemini energy. Again, coming back to the throat chakra. Today is a heavy day and a great day for communication. Ashe. Ashe. So in this 3 energy, we are in a space of expression, our emotions, paying attention to your emotions and how you feel. We're going to be talking about emotions heavy as we get more and more into it, because I really want you guys to get in a space of really enforcing your senses. Enforcing your sensual side is essential. So you take those emotions with your daily routine and your moral and your integral code and your habits, and you make 9, which is a number of completion and wholeness. This is when we're in a space of giving birth, right? So you have that space of creation. Then you have 6, which is like creating for others, and then you have the 9, which is like creating for all of humanity. So in the realms of humanitarian pursuits, it's like once you start doing things for yourself and really paying attention to yourself and application and becoming inspiration, it'll really trickle down and come out even bigger and further, giving birth to big things we love here. So we are in the year of 8. This is the year of transformation, death, and rebirth. This is the year of the birthrights of your solar plexus chakra, saying things with confidence and courageousness, paying attention to what motivates you and how ambitious you are, also paying attention to where you are on the spectrum with Maya. So we take that 9 and put it together with 8, and it makes 1-7. That's knowledge in God, and we love it here with the knowledge in God. Ashe. So in the knowledge space of God, lots of downloads happening here. As you become more in tune with your senses and your emotions and your sensuality, it makes you more open for communication from other non-physical realms too. It's like once you start to learn how to listen to yourself, you can then begin to be an open vessel to listen to others. And we love it here. And that's what a lot of you guys aspire to do, but you have to learn, you have to do you first, right? 1 and 7 come together and make 8 overall. Today is a day of transformations. Today is a day of standing into your solar plexus chakra, enforcing your integral moral code and where you are in alignment with my God. And we love that for you. So let's talk about what's astrologically happening. We start the day off with a 14% waning crescent moon. Moon rising at 3:14 a.m. and setting at 5:29 p.m. We're in the Taurus zodiac energy with this. Our mindset is on our sensual self, what we wish to prioritize, what we have value in, what we wish to manifest in our spaces of love, forgiveness, and compassion and passion. We are in an Aries zodiac as well as in the not Aries zodiac, Aries constellation, as well as in Aries on the Vedic. So in our happenings and our vortex is new beginnings in this space as we really start to pay attention to our heart chakra. All this energy is popping off in the second house, which is the Taurus house, the house of your priorities, your wealth, love, passion, compassion, and levels of forgiveness, right? Sunrise at 5:31 a.m. and setting at 8:24 p.m. The moon and Mars are in conjunction today at 8:13 p.m. The moon is 1.8 degrees north, minimal angle at 7:23 p.m. The moon is 1.7 degrees northwest, and we'll be able to observe that at 3:43 a.m. with a 6.2 degree northeast separation. So you have that experience, that feminine energy, that inner spirituality in alignment with your solar plexus chakra. So we talked about this a little bit here with that 1 and 7, 1 also being Mars Aries energy, and the moon can be your 7 as well with that Cancer energy going inward, your motion number, etc., etc. Also, this is divine alignment. What motivates you? What brings you, what gives you ambition? What makes you feel aggressive? What makes you feel compassion and passionate about things? All the stars are lined up for you to really ask yourself these things and really like organize your space, because 6 is the number of organization as well. It's time for some of you guys to really consolidate your energy and really have a focal point on what it is you want. What do you want? Mercury and Pleiades had minimal angle today at 7:41 a.m. Mercury was 5.1 degrees south-southeast, and no, this was not visible. Pleiades is the Sorrow sisters, and our in our Taurus constellation, then you have the throat chakra sitting there too. So some of you guys have to speak into existence, do some shadow work in this space, pay attention to some of your wounds, some of your sorrows, some of your griefs, some of your worries, some of your doubts, and how those are being invoked in your space. And then also the sun enters draconic Gemini today at 4:44 p.m. So our soul is now having that commune experience with our throat chakra. And that's what I have for you today, my cosmic nobodies. Peace, peace.